How will the future of learning look like in a world increasingly driven by technology? Let's explore tech tutorials, a rapidly evolving field reshaping our learning methods in the digital age. Thank you for joining us here at Innovative Muse, where we explore the wonders of technology as it meets innovation. Welcome in, bid farewell to conventional learning. Now, knowledge is just a click away. Tech tutorials redefine learning, harnessing technology to make education more accessible, efficient, and engaging. They complex concepts into digestible information. The rise of tech tutorials signifies a dramatic shift in education, bringing learning to the fingertips of all. The rise of tech tutorials marks a shift in the learning landscape, bringing education right to the fingertips of learners. From coding to graphic design, tech tutorials have made complex concepts easily accessible. Tech tutorials have surged in popularity over the past decade, becoming the silent guides through the intricate maze of technology. The internet has allowed these tutorials to spread, reaching every corner of the globe. They have played an instrumental role in simplifying complex tech concepts, were previously understood only by a select few tech-savvy individuals. Today, anyone with an internet connection can become proficient in programming languages like Python or Java, all thanks to tech tutorials. These tutorials are akin to having a personal tutor who patiently explains and demonstrates each step, ensuring understanding before moving forward. This phenomenon has democratized learning, making it accessible to everyone, irrespective of location, age, or financial status. As a result, a teenager in a rural village can learn coding, a retired teacher can master graphic design, and a busy professional can plunge into data science. All that's required is the curiosity to learn and an internet connection. Tech tutorials have influenced a culture of self-learning, enabling people to control their learning pace and explore and experiment freely. Consequently, learning has turned into an engaging adventure rather than a structured process. Furthermore, these tutorials have also sparked innovation, inspiring ideas and paving the way for new inventions. Right now, the next tech genius might be learning to code from a tech tutorial. In summary, the emergence of tech tutorials has drastically changed the way we engage with technology. They've turned intimidating jargon into simple steps, making the learning process enjoyable and captivating. Tech tutorials have successfully demystified complex concepts, making learning a fun and engaging process. In a world where knowledge is power, tech tutorials have empowered self-learning. They've blown open education's doors, offering self-paced learning in one's own space. Boundaries of classrooms and clocks are no more. Technology grants access to a round-the-clock digital library, making complicated concepts approachable. Lessons are broken down into bite-sized portions that can be paused, rewound, and replayed until clarity is achieved. This shift has democratized learning, making it accessible to all. From beginners needing basics to experts seeking to sharpen skills, there's a match for every level. Tech tutorials have transformed self-learning from a daunting task to an engaging and empowering journey. Tech tutorials have not just enhanced learning, but also bridged the digital divide. The digital divide signifies the gap between those with access to modern technology and those without. This gap arises due to various factors, such as location, economic status, age, or educational background. Tech tutorials have been pivotal in bridging this gap. Primarily, they've made tech education universally accessible. You don't need to reside in a metropolitan area or be a part of a prestigious university to grasp the newest technologies. With just an internet connection, a device, and the willingness to learn, you can learn about coding, AI, data science, and more, no matter where you live. Secondarily, tech tutorials have made learning affordable. Traditional tech education can be expensive, but online tech tutorials, often free or low cost, have eased this financial barrier. They have also made learning flexible. One can learn at their own pace in their own time, making it easier to balance between learning and other responsibilities. Lastly, tech tutorials have promoted a culture of self-learning and continuous improvement. They've given individuals the power to control their learning journey, to seek relevant knowledge and skills, and to keep their skills updated with the fast-paced tech world. In summary, tech tutorials have opened the gates of tech education for everyone, encouraging them to learn technology and use it to better their lives and others. Tech tutorials have effectively bridged the digital divide, making technology an equalizer in the world of learning. Tech tutorials have come a long way, evolving with the changing technology landscape. In earlier days, learning new tech was all about hefty manuals or boring workshops. However, with the advent of the internet, knowledge became just a click away, and learning transformed into an interactive process. Initially, tech tutorials were simple video guides. Though uninteresting, they served their purpose by making knowledge accessible to anyone with internet. As technology advanced, tutorials did too. They became more engaging, using animations, graphics, and even humor to make learning fun. They were not just about information. They were about creating an enriching learning journey. With time, interactive learning became the norm. Tutorials incorporated quizzes and activities, ensuring better understanding of the concepts. Artificial intelligence further revolutionized the tutorial landscape. Today, AI-driven tutorials offer personalized learning experiences, adapting in real time to enhance the process. Looking forward, we could see tutorials using virtual and augmented reality for immersive learning experiences. Or perhaps, AI tutors that understand and respond to our emotions, making learning more empathetic. The evolution of tech tutorials underscores the dynamic nature of the technology landscape, promising an exhilarating future for digital learning. The journey from simple video guides to AI-driven tutorials showcases the power of technology in transforming how we learn. The possibilities are endless. As we look to the future, tech tutorials are set to redefine the learning landscape. Picture a world where education isn't limited to classrooms. Tech tutorials make learning personalized and interactive. Technology advancements mean such tutorials will evolve. Artificial intelligence can create tailored tutorials, adjusting content based on the learner's pace. Imagine learning coding, with the tutorial adapting to your understanding, or astrophysics experienced in an immersive VR environment. The future of learning is exciting, with tech tutorials leading the way to a world where learning is personalized, accessible, and engaging. Tech tutorials have already transformed the way we learn, and their future looks even more promising. Rising from humble beginnings, they've empowered self-learning and bridged the digital divide. In simplifying complex tech concepts, they've proven invaluable. Always one step ahead, they guide us through constant technological advancements. As technology evolves rapidly, these tutorials become our compass. Standing on the precipice of the future, we have these tools at our disposal. As we embrace the future, tech tutorials will continue to guide us, making the mastery of technology an achievable reality for all. If you found any of this information helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, be well.